Hi, you may have seen a little while ago I did a video about the battery in a laptop and the fact that it had exploded. Well, not exploded, it had blown up overnight. Guess what? Despite not being connected to anything, it has continued to expand. The original battery, 6.45 millimeters thick, 28.83 that way. 28.83 millimeters. That is a lot of expansion, and that has not been connected to anything. That's done it purely on its own, whilst not connected to the laptop or anything. Anyway, to the point of this video, replacing the battery, you need to take out all these screws, 3 across the top, 3 along the bottom. The one in the middle there, which you can see there, is under a little plastic cover. If you don't take that out, you can't get the thing apart. And the one in the middle there, you can see is hardly visible. So the ones on the bottom, that's that one, and the one to the other side, you can hardly see, but the screws, they are 2 different lengths, so be careful. Having taken the screws out, you just literally pull the bottom off gently. Use a fingernail or something under the seams. There are 6 small screws to undo. You see the arrows here. And having taken them out, and try not to drop them, you then literally just lift out the battery. That's what they look like. And then you can just put the new battery in. It just slots on. There's nothing particularly special about it. And do the screws up. Hey presto, you end up with a working laptop. Now luckily, because the battery had expanded, it looked like it had damaged the laptop, but as you can see here, it's working perfectly. So it's well worth doing. And I think the battery costs about 32 quid, something like that. Anyway, that's the way to do it. Apart from the hidden screws, it's a very easy battery to replace, so it's not a major issue to change it, and it's well worth giving it a go. If you've got any comments, or if you've got anything you'd like to say, then please put it in the comments below. Otherwise, just like, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell because you want to find out things are going on. Hopefully the channel is expanding, it's getting bigger, and more people are liking it, but let's get the word out there. Anyway, that's it. I'll keep you updated. If there's anything anybody wants me to look into, more than happy to consider it, if not actually do it. And if you do contact me, I will actually take the effort to contact you back. It's not a problem. Anyway, catch you another time. Cheers. YouTube recommend this video, so maybe you'd like to click on it now.